Everyone thinks the best-selling peephole door camera is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Toga Brass Peephole. First up is the Togu 220-degree solid brass peephole, priced at just $7.89. What caught my attention was its solid brass construction and the promise of high-definition vision. If you want a straightforward, reliable peephole that offers excellent visibility, this is worth a serious look. The Togu peephole features 4 layers of HD optical glass, giving you a 220-degree wide-angle view. That means you can see a lot more outside your door, which is crucial for identifying visitors or potential threats. Plus, the included drill bit makes installation simple, even if you're not particularly handy. It fits doors between 1 3/8 to 2 1/6 thick, so it's quite versatile. With a rating of 4.7 stars from 1,300 reviews, clearly, buyers appreciate its quality. Now, some folks mentioned that the installation could be tricky if your door thickness is on the higher end. But here's the thing. If you take your time and follow the instructions, it's definitely manageable. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, no-fuss solution for your home security. Skip this one if you need a digital option or advanced features. But for under $8, it's a solid investment. Product number 2, Hojul Peephole Viewer. Next, let's talk about the Hojul Door Peephole, priced at $8.99. Its 200-degree viewing angle caught my eye, and the anti-peep cover adds an extra layer of security. If privacy and a wide view are your top priorities, this is worth checking out. The HD optical glass lens offers a crystal clear view, allowing you to see everything outside from head to toe. This feature is particularly useful if you're anxious about who might be at your door. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,300 reviews, it clearly earns points for reliability. The anti-peep cover ensures that no one can peek inside while you're checking out the door, so you can feel safe and secure. However, a few users mentioned that the installation wasn't as straightforward as expected, especially for thicker doors. That said, as long as you're prepared to take your time, it's a manageable task. This is great for anyone who prioritizes privacy and security. Skip this if you're looking for something with high-tech features, but overall, it offers solid value for the price. Product number 3, Kimmler Doorbell Mount. Now, if you're looking for something a bit different, check out the Kimmler Anti-Theft Video Doorbell Mount for $16.99. I really like the anti-theft design, which sets it apart. If you've invested in a video doorbell and want to keep it secure, this is definitely worth a look. This mount is compatible with popular models like the Ring and Blink doorbells, and it's designed to prevent theft, a common concern for many homeowners. It's easy to install, and the adjustable feature means you can customize it based on your door's thickness. With a solid 4.5-star rating and 12,900 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among users who want peace of mind. That said, keep in mind that it's not compatible with all doorbell models, particularly the newer ones. If you have an incompatible doorbell, this mount won't work for you. This is perfect for those who want to secure their existing video doorbell. Skip it if you don't have a compatible doorbell, but for $17, it's a worthwhile safety enhancement. Product number 4, HCOM Digital Peephole. Next up is the HCOM 3.5-inch digital doorbell, which retails for $52.99. This caught my eye because of its digital screen and night vision capabilities. If you want a modern approach to home security with a clear display, this one's interesting. It features a 2-mega CMOS sensor, which works well in low-light conditions, making it quite handy for nighttime use. The LCD color screen displays a clear image, so you can easily see who's at your door. One of the standout aspects is the ease of use. You can replace the batteries without dismantling the unit, which is super convenient. With 4.2 stars from 449 reviews, it holds up reasonably well in consumer satisfaction. However, it doesn't have high-definition video quality, which some users found disappointing. If you're looking for top-notch clarity, this might not meet your expectations. This is perfect for tech-savvy users who prefer a digital peephole. Skip this if you want something that can capture high-definition images or videos, but it offers decent functionality for its price. Product number 5, Orbitel Wi-Fi doorbell. Finally, let's take a look at the Orbitel 1080p wireless Wi-Fi video doorbell camera for just $9.99. I was impressed by its AI-powered motion detection. If you need something smart that can distinguish between different types of movement, this is definitely worth considering. With a 1080p resolution, you'll get clear footage, and the two-way audio feature allows you to communicate with whoever is at your door. The night vision is also exceptional, so you can see clearly even in the dark. With over 1,900 reviews and a rating of 3.9 stars, it's popular for a reason. However, some users pointed out that it only works with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which can limit connectivity options for some households. If you're used to 5 GHz networks, this might not be the best fit. This is great for those who want smart features on a budget. Skip this if you have a 5 GHz network or need ultra-high definition footage, but it's a solid choice for the price. To sum it all up, the Togu and Hojuld models offer great traditional options for basic security needs. If you want to secure your video doorbell, the Kimmler mount is a solid choice. For those interested in digital options, HCOM and Orbitel provide great tech solutions. Choose the one that meets your specific needs.